Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can download the Canva for PC, for like Windows. So open canva.com and select this download the app icon. It has like this like desktop icon kind of, and then you're just going to select start download. And you are just going to wait for the app to download. So I will be right back when the app has been downloaded. I think it will take a few minutes to download, so I'm just going to close this and wait for the application to download, and then you can just open it and just install it to your PC. And that is basically how you can download the Canva app for your PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!